to have safe sex. Sexy en important part of life. When you are a virgin contemplating your first time, or a more experienced person looking for a new partner, sex can be both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. Practicing safe sex means you can more easily enjoy having sex with a new partner. You can feel confident in technology that you're protecting your body and your health. You need to learn to stay safe when it comes to sexually transmitted infection or disease, STI or STDs, unwanted pregnancy, and other risky sexual behavior. Remember, you need to take care of both your mental and physical health. Avoiding STI. Use latex condom. Male condom should be used for any kind of sex, including vaginal, anal, and oral contact. The male latex condom is easy to use, efficient and cheap. It is also readily available for free at plain parenthood location, OT counseling service, and many schools. Consistently and correctly using latex condom during sexual intercourse can reduce the risk of STI and pregnancy with up to 99% reliability. If you're allergic to latex, you can also use polyurethane condom, which offers some protection against STI. Natural or lambskin condom offers reliable protection against pregnancy, but material is infinite to prevent transmission of some infection, making them less reliable for that purpose. Make sure to properly place the condom on direct penny. Don't it jeter concrete à more intimate experience. Remember, both partners are responsible for safe sex. If you are sexually active, you should always have a supply of condom on. Make sure to regularly check the expiration date, to. Condom do not typically break when used properly, however, if the condom reported during intercourse, make sure that both partners get tested within the day. Consider using a female condom. Female condom can be used for vaginal penetrative sex. They are effective against most STI and can help reduce the chance of pregnancy. Toute failure étant with hormonal contraception, female condom can be very effective when used in combination with OT protection. 1. You should never use a female and male condom at the same time. That can cause friction that will tear or both of the condom, making them ineffective. Make sure to carefully read instructions on the packaging. You want to ensure that you properly insert a female condom. You will insert a female condom in a similar manner à inserting a tampon. The penny should be inside the female condom during intercourse. It is unlikely that a female condom will break if used correctly, however, if triatir, make sure to visit your physician to get tested within the day. Use a dental dam for oral sex. Dental dam are latexy, or condom that have been open to form square. When used correctly, dental dam have been proven to reduce the risk of passing blood and hot fluid to the mouth from the genital. These are effective in preventing STI and HIV. You can use them when performing oral sex on both the vulva and anus. 2. Make sure the latex 2 et 1 avant all, tear, or OT damage. Rinse off and cornstarch if necessary, it can promote vaginal infection. Cover the genitalia or anus while performing oral sex. Never switch back and forth between the vagina and anus with to first replacing the dental dam. Discard after use. 3. A lubricant. While friction can be pleasurable feeling during sex, it can also heighten the risk of infection. Friction is often the cause of broken condom or dental dam. To prevent or much friction, try using a lubricant during intercourse. 3. Make sure to read ingredients on the package. Don't use an oil-based lube on a latex condom. It will break down the latex. Instead, use an water-based lubricant. Silicone-based lube are also a good choice. You can also use lubricant to make dental dam more supple less likely to tear. Fin of the way to be intimate. You and your partner can engage in sexual activity that carry absolutely no risk. Be creative and explore new way to turn it on. You can use for en fantasy to arouse on a noté. Some no risk sexual act include, 4. Phone sex or sexting. Mutual masturbation. Cybersex. 3 low risk activity. Anal and vaginal intercourse are considered high risk sexual activity. The risk of infection when having intercourse anally great because the skin of anus is thin, making infection and is transmission more of a possibility. Like is, sexually transmitted disease and infection are transmittable between the mutant genital, making unprotected oral sex also a risky behavior. You can still intimately to engaging in intercourse. Talk to your partner about trying out some new sexual activity. You could try. 5. Deep kissing. Fondling. Experimenting with sex toys such as dildo or vibrator. Keep sex toy clean. Always wash them between use, enlevez use on tie your nose sur clean. Avec solution of disinfectant in a bowl of water et chip option. Rince the toy well sur to dry them before storing them in a sealed bag in a clean and dry environment. Do no share sex toy with partner you are fluid bonded with since you can spread infection way. Consulting your doctor. Get tested regularly. Go to your doctor or a free clinic regularly to get screened for HIV and OTST. Get tested or get with a monogamy partner before deciding to stop using protection. You should continue to get tested regularly even when you are in a relationship, to bon to safe side. It better to get tested and to knowingly be infected with ST. 6. Ask your partner to go with you if you're nervous. Lam to request that your partner do it enthusiastically and willingly. If your partner do and want to go to GT, ask them to go on their own and charterous with you. You can't try saying, I respect your need for privacy. But please remember that the effect both of your body and health. Venez to share the information with EOT. If your partner is not willing to practice safe sex, fin à noter partner. 7. Learn specific symptoms. Educating yourself can help keep you safe. One of the best way to protect yourself is to boost your knowledge. Take some time to learn about the first. You can learn about method of contraction, and symptoms. Your doctor is one of your best resource. Ask your doctor for some information or look at a reputable website. 8. For example, you should know that one of the most common chlamydia, often has no symptom. For that reason, it is often knowingly passed to water. Ask your doctor to test for all ST before you sleep with a new partner. Genital warrar à noter comment ST. Tesoir à resilis pread bisquin tous qu'un contact. The flesh colored bmma look similar to cauliflower. Your doctor can help you find the best treatment plan. Manistid have visible symptom, however, if you see abnormality on your partner genitalia, you should avoid having sex until they have visited doctor. Know your body. If you notice an change in your body, visible or no, don't hesitate to contact your doctor. Your alphabet is safe and sorry. Get vaccinated. One of the best way to prevent certain STI getting vaccinated. There are currently vaccines that can be used to prevent hepatitis A and B, en human papillomavirus, HPV. Talk to your doctor about whether these vaccines are right for you. 9. Female between the age of 9 and 26 should be given the HPV vaccine. It is given in 3 doses of ciment. CDC state that the vaccine is safe for all women between those ages. The HPV vaccine is also recommended for boys, given age 11, 12 years. CDC recommend hepatitis A vaccine for all children, men WHO engage in intercourse with tout men, en illegal drug user. There are many population WHO should receive the hepatitis B vaccine. This group include children under 19 WHO have no previously been vaccinated. Intravenous drug user. Man WHO have sex with men. individual with HIV or chronically disease. Jet treated. Par of having enfant responsible sexy making sur you are no passing addies to your partner. If you have contracted anxiety, you need to make sure you received proper medical treatment. If you receive a negative diagnosis, ask your doctor about the best treatment option for you. 10. For example, maybe you learn that you have contracted gonorrhea. Your doctor will prescribe a course of antibiotic à treatment. 40. En infection, make sure to take the medicine exactly instructed. Ask your doctor if you have any question, or are concerned about side effect. Tell your partner. You need to say, I need you to know that you are recently tested for STI. I have gonorrhea. You need to get tested as soon as possible. Ask about risk sex. You might find yourself in a situation where you want to knowingly engage in risk sex. For example, maybe your partner was previously diagnosed with HIV. Talk to your doctor before engaging in sexual activity. 11. Ask a lot of questions. You can say, my partner is HIV positive. What extra steps can I take to make sure that I remain negative? Keep the line of communication open. If you or your partner have a question, make sure to ask. It is possible to have a healthy and happy sex life with someone WHO tested positive. You just need to make sure that ça fait y part of your routine. Tip. Don't use petroleum oral based product, at the weekend condom. There are lots of good water based lubricant market. Carry condom with you just in case, but try to avoid keeping them close to your body, in your wallet, it will accelerate the breakdown of latex. Sexe include the option busy de vaginal and anal sex. Manual and oral sex also allow for sexual activity without the need for contraception. Bear in mind that this leak HIV can still be transmitted with smallest injury in your mouth, for example. Use a condom to be totally safe, especially if your partner has not been tested for HIV recently. It is a good idea to put on a condom as soon as possible. Will trace of sperm copper fluid precom, are believed to be likely to cause pregnancy, it is essential to prevent spread or contraction of STI. In Turkey, condoms are available free of charge from family planning clinic and all forms of contraception are free on the NHS. Warning. Never pleasure yourself or your partner with fruits such as banana or other form of phallic object that are no solid. Failure to take tiento à coup à mal to a situation or medical professional may need to be involved. Try no sex with to some form of risk. No form of contraception is 100% reliable. No having sex is the most reliable way to no jet ski. Sexually transmitted disease do no discriminate on ground of marital status, âge, sexual orientation, classe or skin color.